The 802.1q standard defines how VLAN tags are added to Ethernet frames for transport across trunk links. It's like attaching a luggage tag, so airport staff know exactly which flight the bag belongs to. Without tagging, switches wouldn't know which VLAN an incoming frame belongs to over a shared link. Our objective is to configure a trunk port to use 802.1q encapsulation for VLAN traffic. Using Cisco CLI, we enable trunk mode on the interface and specify .1q encapsulation. Verification output confirms the trunk is active with 802.1q in use, identifying VLAN membership in each frame. This ensures multiple VLANs can coexist over the same cable without mixing traffic. By following the IEEE standard, 802.1q enables interoperability between different vendor switches while preserving VLAN integrity across the network infrastructure.